Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ramesh. In today's session, we are going to discuss about what is the purpose of using yield method in Java threads. This is the one of the most important and common entry question. Let's check all the features one by one. A yield method is a static method of thread class and it can stop the currently executing thread and will give chance to other waiting threads on the same priority. In case of there are no waiting threads or if all the waiting threads are having low priority, then the same thread will continue its execution. The advantage of using yield method is to get a chance to execute other waiting threads. So if our current thread takes more time to execute and allocate processor to other threads actually. For example, if there are two threads, thread 1, thread 2. If thread 1 is waiting for long time, then if we give yield method on thread 1, then it will just give the priority to thread 2 actually. If both are having same priority, then it will work. If thread 2 having more priority, then first the highest priority thread will run and then lowest priority the T1 will run actually after that. Okay, let's check all the features one by one in Eclipse tool. So for that, I'm going to create new class called thread yield demo, which is having main method, and I'm going to create another class called my thread, which extends thread class. So if you want to just know the difference between extends thread class and implements runnable, you can refer my previous video. And I'm going to create run method here. I'm just printing integer I equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. Now I'm just printing it. Here I'm just putting thread started. So one thread dot current thread is the method and get the name of the method by using get name. So similarly I equal to 1, right? Yeah, I equal to 1. There was a typo. And now I'm printing ending statement here, thread ended. Thread ended. Okay. Now I'm just going to create object for this class t equal to new object creation. Now t dot start method. I'm starting the thread now. Now create the main thread loop. Integer I equal to 1. I is less than or equal to 5. I plus plus. Now I'm printing the same statement here. Here main thread started and main thread ending here. Main thread started, main thread ended. Okay, let's try to execute the program without using yield method. Now see, main thread started, main thread started, main thread started, main thread started. Okay, so it is giving priority to all the main threads and then thread started, this is thread 0 and in between main thread ended and thread started like this. Okay, So it is giving priority to like main thread always, and tail threads are running like after that. And sometimes if we execute it like so one by one it will execute it actually. But as soon as we give like thread dot yield method, thread dot yield method, see here, and check the output. See, main thread started and thread started. This is the thread 0 actually, is the child thread. This is the child thread. And then main thread started and thread started. See here, like it is giving priority to main thread once, and then child thread is also executing like simultaneously actually. See here, thread started, thread 0 and main thread. Thread started 0 and main thread. Okay, finally, like this thread is ended and then main thread is started again and main thread is ended. Okay, this is how like it will, the main purpose of yield method is it will give priority to some other threads to execute it. Sometimes like the child threads will take long time to execute it. As soon as we give like in this yield method, it will just stop like temporarily and give priority to some other threads to ensure that like other threads also will get priority, like and without like any interrupting or holding for long time actually. This is all about like the purpose of using yield method. Okay, please practice it, then you will get some fair idea. Please like this video, share with your friends, and comment if you have any doubts. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.